In this video, we're going to show how to transfer Toncoin from Tonkeeper to Bybit. It's important to follow every step to get this to work, so make sure you watch the whole video. In Tonkeeper, select your Toncoin on the home screen. In here, select the Send button. Here you'll see that an address and comment is needed, and in our example, we will get that address from Bybit. Open the Bybit app, select Deposit. Choose Deposit Crypto. Search for Toncoin and select it. Now we need to select the correct network, and Ton is the only available, so select it. Now Bybit tells us that both memo and an address are required to successfully deposit your Ton to Bybit. Tonkeeper is a non-custodial wallet, meaning each wallet has a unique address on the Ton blockchain. In contrast, centralized exchanges like Bybit use a single address for all users and track individual balances in a centralized database. For transfers from a custodial exchange like Bybit to a non-custodial wallet like Tonkeeper, you don't need a memo because the non-custodial wallet has only one owner. Just ensure you enter your Tonkeeper address correctly. However, when sending Toncoin from Tonkeeper to Bybit, you need to fill out the Ton memo field. This ensures that Bybit can track the transaction and you will receive your coins. First, copy the address. Switch to the Tonkeeper app and paste the address. Go back to Bybit and copy the Ton memo. Open Tonkeeper and paste the memo you just copied from Bybit into the required comment field. If you're sure you've copied the right info, select Continue. Make sure Toncoin is selected and specify how much you want to send and select Continue. Remember, it's always a good idea to test first with a small amount to see if everything works correctly. If everything looks correct, select Confirm and Send. Thanks for watching. Just leave a comment if you have any questions and don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel.